Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the CCIE Data Center written exam syllabus so you know what to study and how it is weighted. The exam is divided into 7 domains with exact weights. 1.0 Data Center L2/L3 Connectivity 20%, 2.0 Data Center Fabric Infrastructure 15%, 3.0 Fabric Storage Network and Services 15%, 4.0 Data Center Automation and Orchestration 15%, 5.0 Data Center Operations and Management 15%, 6.0 Evolving Technologies 10%, and 7.0 Security and Network Services 10%. Each domain lists focus areas, difficulty level, estimated learning time, and the assessment type you will face. Use these weights to prioritize study time and practical labs. 1.0 Data Center L2/L3 Connectivity carries 20% of the exam and is rated hard with an estimated learning time of 120 hours and scenario-based assessment. You will learn advanced Layer 2 topics like STP and RSTP, virtual port channel including VPC and VPC+, fabric extender connectivity and VXLAN with BGP EVPN control plane. On the Layer 3 side you will master OSPF2, OSPF3, ISIS, BGP for leaf-spine designs, PIM and IGMP, HSRP and VRRP along with BFD and VRF Lite. Practical troubleshooting of L2 loop prevention, MAC tables and route leaking is emphasized throughout. 2.0 Data Center Fabric Infrastructure is 15% of the exam, marked hard, estimated 100 hours, and assessed with hands-on and conceptual tasks. This domain covers Cisco ACI fundamentals including leaf, spine and APIC architecture, fabric discovery and APIC cluster management. You will configure endpoint groups, bridge domains and application network profiles while implementing contracts, subjects and filters for micro-segmentation. External connectivity topics include L2 out and L3 out, VMM integration with VMware vCenter, and multi-pod and multi-site fabric designs. 3.0 Fabric Storage Network and Services represents 15%, is medium difficulty, estimated 80 hours, and scenario-based. Expect to learn fiber channel basics and the FC initialization process, FCOA operation and configuration, plus NPV and NPIV virtualization techniques. SAN management topics include VSANs and trunking, SAN zoning, and FSPF routing for storage fabrics along with FLOGI troubleshooting. You will also study data center bridging features like PFC, EDS and DCBX and how to monitor storage performance and congestion. 4.0 Data Center Automation and Orchestration accounts for 15%, is medium difficulty, estimated 90 hours, and uses hands-on and conceptual assessment. This domain teaches programmability with RESTful APIs for ACI and UCS, data formats like JSON and XML, and practical Python scripting for NXOS automation. You will build Ansible playbooks for infrastructure as code and learn Cisco SDKs and tools such as UCS Power Tool, NetConf and RistConf. Cloud orchestration topics introduce Cisco UCS Director, orchestration workflows, self-service portals, multi-tenancy and bare metal provisioning. 5.0 Data Center Operations and Management carries 15%, is medium difficulty, estimated 70 hours, and is scenario-based. Focus areas include Cisco UCS Manager with service profiles, UUID MAC and WWN pools, and integration of B-Series and C-Series servers. You will configure fabric interconnects in end-host and switch modes, implement boot policies and manage firmware updates through UCS Manager. Monitoring and maintenance topics cover SNMP, Syslog, NetFlow, SPAN-ERSPAN, RBAC and basic troubleshooting plus analytics with tools like Cisco Tetrosian and configuration backup strategies. 6.0 Evolving Technologies is 10% of the exam, rated easy, estimated 30 hours, and combines conceptual and scenario-based assessment. This domain covers cloud and virtualization fundamentals where you compare public, private and hybrid cloud models and review SDN and NFV concepts. You will learn about SDN controllers, containerization and microservices, and how SOSPOS and IaaS models differ. IoT and analytics topics describe edge computing versus core computing and introduce data analytics and machine learning basics as they impact network design. 7.0 Security and Network Services makes up 10%, is medium difficulty, estimated 40 hours, and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Study data center security topics such as control plane policing, DHCP snooping, dynamic ARP inspection, port security, IP source guard and management plane protections like SSH and AAA. You will also learn TrustSec with SGTs and keychain authentication for routing protocols. Layer 4.7 services include integrating firewalls and load balancers into ACI, service graphs, ADCs, MACsec and DDoS mitigation strategies. In conclusion, follow the domain weights and estimated learning hours to build a balanced study plan. Prioritize the 20% L2/L3 connectivity domain and the 3-15% domains while practicing hands-on labs and scenario troubleshooting. Good luck preparing for the CCIE data center written exam and use real devices or emulators to reinforce these topics.